They did a makeshift for her to house her temporarily.
Whoa.
Wow.
We can't take with time go down. But you're fit.
I'm trying to be fit
And you're under.
under a zinc press.
This is. Yeah. Like that. You had a bad hit. Obviously, the wind came from that direction through the valley and up.
Yeah.
Wow. So yeah, you could see that's the direction of the damage. Yeah. This is not acceptable. So let's do something quickly. Let's do something today.
Thank you.
Because this is unacceptable. We're gonna make sure you're alright. All right. And keep smiling. Keep being hopeful. I know it's rough. It's rough for everyone, and it's becoming frustrating. But we have to maintain a sense of optimism because being depressed and upset and frustrated in and of itself doesn't solve the problem.
No.
All right, Icilda.